Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany and it is day one of the 31 days of tarot for 2018. Oh my golly gosh, it's here, the new year is here and we are about to start a whole new year of hopefully amazingness. So today's prompt, which is not too late to join, by the way, so you can just go over to ethany.com and check out the 31 Days of Tarot. I'll put the link to the master list below. Our first prompt for day one, Doi, is a 2018 reading. So energy and major lesson. So this can be done personally or overall. I'm going to do mine personally, because I'm selfish like that. So I'm going to pull a card for the energy and the major lesson for 2018. I had a really good year in 2017. Lots happened, a lot of family stuff, a lot of travel. It was crazy, but it was also a very, very, very good year. So I'm excited to see what 2018 is going to have in store. And I'm going to use my Bad Bitches Tarot for my reading. Okay. So excited to see everybody's videos this year. Had a lot of people getting very excited about it. Okay, so okay, interesting. I'm in for an interesting year. My energy, we have the Fool here. Well, let's see if it's going to pick it up. Oh my gosh, this camera does my head in. So we have the Fool. I'm going to be going through lots of different new things this year, lots of initiations. It makes a lot of sense. I've got a lot of new things in the pipeline, lots of exciting projects. I'm going to new conferences for the first time, lots of new things. So I am all in, absolutely open to have a full year. Maybe I'm going to be a fool in love, who knows? Have to take some leap of faith and trust myself. So that makes a lot of sense. With my book coming out, that's a very new thing for me too. I've never done, I've never worked with a publisher before, though Llewellyn has been amazing so far, like legit amazing. It's just not gonna find it for us folks. But yeah, I love that I have the Fool here. And then my major lesson, the Seven of Wands, protection, defense, taking on too much. I feel like that could be my every year, but maybe with all those new things in the pipeline, it's like, oh, I got to be careful about what I take on. I see this also as me having to make sure my health is okay. Doing all the like the preemptive, not the preemptive, but like someone's yelling at their screen right now, what I need to say. Preventative stuff, like the natural holistic, although I eat as much organic stuff as possible. So a lot more of that. And making sure that my energetic hygiene is taken care of. As many of you know, like this is a scar from having a skin cancer removed this year. I'm recording this in 2017. So taking care of my health big time. Energetic hygiene, all that sort of stuff. So definitely got to look out for that. But not a bad, see, it doesn't like the Fool. Not a bad year at all for me, for these two cards. So I'm pretty happy with that. I want to see what everybody else's cards are. I'm looking forward to it. And just a note on how long these have to be. You can go back and have a look at my 31 Days of Tarot from 2016 and 2017. It's very mixed. The prompts, some of them are very large and some of them are very short. Well, some of them can be very big and some of them can be very short. So don't feel as though you have to speak for half an hour for each one. Just do whatever feels right and then wrap it up when it feels right as well. So that's my day 1. We're off to a flying start, everybody. If I have missed your channel to subscribe, please let me know in the comments below, and I will go back and subscribe to your channel because I want to watch your videos. And I hope you have a beautiful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.